Hakasan tarik ujulio alhajar alpun rio ke office terekam jong Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities kasnat terekam ke bah po jong ketenar social welfare rengkat kejian terelang bat ka PT Dendayal Upadhyay National Institute for Persons with Physical Disabilities ka Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment Government of India bat ka Istalim India Private Limited. Kilapan long ya kejinya lang bansa miki artificial limb sheki khat Ngut Kibriu kibala du no ya ki kejat jongki Shillong haka badan na padeng jongki kibala khalpa hapadeng ki jingduna kat badan pat kibala du ya ki kejat jongki Shillong na kawi pat kadau ya kini kejinya lang lapan long ha ususu tham auditorium Shillong haka balai dan lang Menteri Sorkar ke Jylla Baksan Borshulai ubralong ukongsan rengkat kejinya dan lang kiwe deki ofisar Sorkar bakun top ya Commissioner and Secretary jangka Sorkar Jylla ubapet ya ketenat social welfare Pravin Bakshi IAS Managing Director and Chief Operating Officer jangka Instalim India Private Limited Chohiro Adachi Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities Balengkor Kenjing MCS ke Deputy Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities Khubor Warshong pat kiwe dai ki prasha khot ngobha par hakani kesngi khad Ngut baro ki briu ki baladu no iki kijat ki Shillong ki layo Pdiang ki artificial limb kan thai bat shenrang ki balawan Kylleng ni ki district jong ka Jylla Meghalaya.
And other schemes also which I'll not narrate due to the time constraint because we have got so many programs also to attend. What I would like to share with you, friends, that my motto since my young age, since I was in class 7, I started involving in my social activities. And since that time, the leaders of various church committees in my birthplace, Laman, is a cosmopolitan locality established by the then British government. It's a mixed area. We are living in Laban, a first cosmopolitan area comprises of all community, all faith and religion, and we are taught to live like our own brother and sister, to love and respect each other. So this is a message to each and every one of you, that since my young age, I remember my motto is service to people is service to God. So today it will be a remarkable day that the Department of Social Welfare with the Department of Persons with Disabilities, we have done a very wonderful job in extending help, support to our brother and sister, the person with a disability, and you have selected the genuine beneficiaries of 12 from all over our state, Meghalaya. Whatever service that we have rendered today, to each and every one of them who really needs our help and support, we have done it. So don't forget, whatever service that we have done for the people, service to God, in my life experience. You also will get a blessing, a special and a miracle blessing from Almighty God. In my life experience, I hail from a very poor BPL family from Laban. I was born and brought up in a 2 small room in a rented house in Laban. But my parents are very strong. So this message I'm giving to all the beneficiaries. So we fight for the rights, we are disciplined, we honor, we respect our parents, we respect our elderly people. And you will see, before I wind up my speech, based on the records. For example, Dr. Rajendra Prasad ji, he also living from a poor family from a village, born in a thatch house. They don't have a capacity even to buy kerosene oil, his parents. When the street light is on in the evening, so he'll run and starts studies beneath the street light. And at the end of the day, God bless him, and he has become holding the prestigious post as the President of India. He is from the poor family. So many of them. Dr. Abdul Kalam ji, in the morning helping his father in distributing akhbar in Hindi, which means newspaper, house to house, akhbar. And at the end of the day, he has become a scientist. He has occupied the highest post of the country, the President of India. And coming to our Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji, you know, after school, he will go run and assist his father in selling chai, selling tea, adjacent to the railway track. So, but at the end of the day, he has become a very powerful, respectable person, leader, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji. So I feel proud that I really thanks to the Almighty God that I was also born in a small house, rented house. In Laban, after coming from school, I used to help my mother at Yodak Laban, Bazar in selling vegetable, charcoal, helping until 8 a.m. at night. Like that is our life. And I didn't dream also, nobody dreams that I'll become, I have got that guts. Do I hail from a poor family? I keep it in my mind that I am born to lead. I should lead. I lead the locality, I lead various NGOs in my locality, and finally, I didn't also dream that I'll become the MDC, undisputed for 5th consecutive term from Lapan constituency, and 4th term MLA from this constituency, undisputed, and in the next election, I'll just sleep at home, I'll win with a thumping majority. Thank you, Kylleng.
from all over the state benefiting from this program through artificial request our chief guest to kindly stay back and give us a short speech. And together, we are going to witness not just a technical procedure, but a moment of renewed hope, restored dignity, and a giant step towards independence and inclusion in a way.
Kerteng cuma teli yang tu teli masak saya dengar bordar balat sih balat
Lapan itu sendiri ketika tumpi kalau mau nadu pedangkan.
kan ia kerja dengar custom nadu nam arah Jakarta nengkong kesu long mong tu sampai kerja dia nang tu dia tak dawai kasih aku mbak lain sebenarnya itu kami ada ya kabam kan nang jur jadi nuan sibil kiot no ada gitu kerja Kane, nang ni na hospital ni. Nak sibil ni. Nak phone, nomor ki ayu ki. La dong ki record tu kan nak pek.
Kecil semua benda bagi raya.
La sif bun kan, la kaya Arab bun kan. La sup kan. La sup. La. Kam siur.
Mencuba pihak ledudin ni semua.
Em. Tan tip sal ben.
Memang mencuba tu sempat yo.
Ngala sen tak yo. Tambah kini kilong spesial gini fi. Kilong warna bar ni. Kini nang nena ayu na Shillong gini ki.
Kani komentar pion em.
Yo katai. Ai kublai ke ta departemen ke ba Arab ni ko.
Don kamsir.
Don kam.
La bantai
La amaran la baik. Amaran. Hapo laipo 10 kilo. La. Amaran kara pun. Jaka caring ni lar ban kit. Kinyan 1 kilo 2 kilo te la ni. Surat.
Dong kilakit yang Jylla dia.
Ngalakit. Laipo 10 kilo kadang kit. Amaran kan. Nda biang gini ni.
Om itu ke
Shillong.
Kakerteng jonga rilian hing Shillong na berembong.
Lapan itu jatuh tumpi kalau boleh.
Ipi lakha kemudian.
Ngalong tas tempur menta. Do bangadon saupo prasne mo yo Jepang. Te ngapot na yo kcan. Hoy, ni kcan yang adiang. Ngayo ka Jepang. Ka Jepang ka be ngapot no shit.
Yo jikte mana bakte ipi spang kan skim. Mana bakte ipi banyo spang kan artificial.
Bagi tu ki nung man say ki social worker mo. Ki wan kitu bapet te ki ba longum ni. Te ki ai ching tip sa ai paking eksa. Pa wan possible.
Kemudian haswa bagian air piknik kita tahu saya.
Ki teu shwa ki pa wan man tu kasni. Ndri tarik belai adam. Ki teu shwa ki la teu te wan menin persang mentasi bagi ai 94.
Tidak ay matas.
Ki ai mentas ni. Menin ngi wan possible ki teu persang Abduna ki Pdiang. Ya kila ada Pdiang menin emtas ki iPad ni.
By one time, by kali,
Ya baik kali. Tip ya kabala Pak Wan ki kami ni balade persuaban teu ya kena cat ki ai. Te ya kabala menin emtas ki dengan 4 tip dah. Ki ai ndak ki ai 4 tip.
So belum apa yo ya benda.
Layo ni kecan ngalas hukumen. Ayo ban lej ban wan layo ban yaj ban yang temua. Man sung dua ju jenjar. Ayo ban yaj ban yang layo ban rap kam. Degi jingkar ku tu boleh. Asusu.
so,
Kaya rap sibun. Man yaj dau ding da jenjar ki.
so, ong ayo ya ke department kita ada macam.
Ai jing ku boleh ki namar bakira la ban le sibun ki kam babhada ban ta chungi ki balong komne temua. Ai jingkar ku ki layar rabor.
Kamu siap.
Dan kamera. Dan kamera suki ai free bejum tu. Tahu sedang.
Sa trong cha yong nọ mi mi sat mi sat
Kamu yo finish.
hả
Kamu yo finish.
miskin
You yo finish.
em vi con một phone chỉ ông văn thao cái giật rồi ngàn tiếp ra cái số phone tầm
Manda yo kita tu kaman senyap tu.
Pdiang he dokumen he ada yo ini mau
Berarti mulai dari
oh
Kau yo ini sel kamu deh.
kamu lihat praktis ada yang mau yuki kau lain kan praktis lemnya nong market sih praktis lemnya
menjual em yo kaman deh.
ding
Hah?
ding mana yo wan itu em ingat teleport pola ding sah
Hapsu. Hapsu. Karena ngut jadi.
cip kan ngut ini penar he songut itu
Bro nak jual distract lah.
tim mana tim bahar ngam big
Mat kakak tu Shillong wa ye lah.
accident
Islam.
nah sak Sumatera asnam accident dari tu nangret kakian itu bercak wan dalam asnam
Ke mat manda em ni wa ye mat ye tulai tanah hap
lah
hap so dai.
terus ayo bor menda iki dini terus ayo bor seven kan shooting kerja itu kamu ada celuk berduding dan nak mesin berduding
Tapi ye tulai.